guys, how are you doing today? Welcome in Easy Car Detailing. We got this lovely car and we got the body kit from ABT, and literally is altogether is whole package for this vehicle. So literally we got the ABT front grille, we got ABT spoiler, rear spoiler, we got side skirt ABT, and interior 2 custom made and special edition alloys wheels. So guys, on this particular vehicle we're doing enhancement package. And what's the mean enhancement package? Literally full decontamination of the vehicle, 2-stage polishing and ceramic coating as a sealant for 4 years. We seal this vehicle for 4 years with the ceramic coating, but what is really important, because this vehicle have only 1,000 miles on the clock, even they have a slightly little defects, we correct that, and after that obviously what is very important with the sealant, we protect the vehicle, we seal the vehicle, and literally be really nice and glossy again, but plus protection. Hi guys, today we finally finished the project. Literally take us 4 days. We work on a vehicle, Volkswagen Transporter 4 Motion T6, and all the way on this lovely vehicle is Bodykit, ABT Bodykit, and I'm going to tell you more obviously what we actually did with this lovely vehicle. So with this vehicle we have enhancement package. We did completed decontamination, 2-stage polish, correct a couple of things only. I mean, this car had only 1,000 miles, but already had like small, tiny little defects. So we correct the little defects, and after that, obviously we seal it with 4 years ceramic coating. So with this package, you have interior protection too. And what we did, steam, wet and dry steam mats. We went over the seats, this lovely Alcantara leather. Again, you see this carbon steering, absolutely incredible piece of art I think. And what we have in the middle of the dash point, literally we polished the middle of the dash point. We literally decontaminated the whole vehicle and protected again. So it's really good to go. So guys, now we prepared the vehicle and we're going to put a ceramic coating as a protection for 4 years. So I'm going to show you literally how it's done. So we are applying the ceramic. see once it becomes a rainbow, it's time to take it off.